Have you ever wanted to surprise your friends by locking your keyboard? Or maybe you didn't even know this was possible. Well, stay tuned because today, I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock your keyboard easily. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. First, click on the Start button, type Filter Keys, and hit Enter. Once the settings open, turn on the keyboard shortcut for filter keys and enable the other options as well. Now, simply close this window. Let's test this feature. Open Notepad and hold the right Shift button for 8 seconds. When this pop-up appears, click on Yes. Now try typing in Notepad, and voila, you'll notice that the keyboard isn't responding. Your keyboard is locked. To unlock your keyboard, just hold the right Shift button again for 8 seconds. When you hear this sound, it means your keyboard is back to normal and you can use it as usual. That's all for today's video. If you found this trick useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.